If magic is in the air, it's probably here, in the gorgeous landscapes of Ninh Binh. A very touristic place, but for sure a must-see, not to be missed. This is a map of the things to see around here, and let me tell you, there's plenty to uncover. So let's not waste any more time listening to me and let's check this out. Welcome back, fellow travelers, backpackers and friends. Today we are here in what is considered as the terrestrial A Long Bay of Vietnam. A place which holds plenty of beautiful rivers, unexplored caves, ancient temples. I will be spending 3 days here, and I invite you to come and join me as we discover exquisite attractions. So come with me and let's go. So today we're starting here, just a 10-minute walk from Tam Coc Center in Vien Lau. Right in Tam Coc, you got this place. It's like, I guess, some kind of relic of an artisanal village. And what's the most crazy part of it is, like, when you get there, there's a cave. And it's totally free. So let's check this out. And what happened when I was here? I was like, damn, I guess I need a flashlight. But Vietnamese people are super smart and they thought about everything. Look at this. Press button and ta-da! The magic happens. Oh, that's kind of creepy. There's some kind of altar, I guess you can say. And I guess these are like gifts from the people, and yeah. You can see there's like a lot of money. One quick point, if you happen to find, like in temples or in a cave, mostly in caves, like money on the rock like this, please do not take the money. I think it can bring you bad karma. What we're gonna do, like then, I think, let me check. Yeah. I'm gonna give you this, and it's supposed to give you 10 times what you give. So, hopefully, I get 10,000 dongs back. Can buy me water. Okay, let's get out of here. Just a little further on the right side of the main road, after you continue walking into the countryside, you can encounter several tombstones scattered into a beautiful natural setup. Next stop, and just 10 minutes walking from the previous one, is Tai Vi Temple.
This is one of the most ancient temples in Vietnam and is dated from the 13th century. Keep pushing until the Sung Zen restaurant, where you can catch, after a little rock climbing, one of the best views on the river. Okay, so next we will be heading to the Trang An Caves, a very famous and consequently pretty crowded touristic attraction here. One quick note, don't be afraid when you get here by all the people and the thousands of boats going at the same time, because this is very touristic, but you will still enjoy a lot. I didn't have to wait more than 10 minutes to get in the boat, so it's pretty well organized. So you have the choice between two routes, number 1 and 2. One is 3 hours, the other is 2 hours long, but I would recommend the 2-hour one, as sitting in the small canoe for 2 hours is already pretty long, and you already get plenty to see. So the route number 2 is a 2-hour journey, and you will go through 3 different caves, the longest being 250 meters long. Some have installations with lights, some you are pretty much in the dark, and you have bats and spiders, so that's kind of an experience. During the tour, you will also stop on 3 different islands to see temples. Quick update, you have to know that since 2019, Skull Island, which was holding the movie set, is closed to the public and has been dismantled because it was standing on the limestone complex. So even if it still appears on the map and in the guidebooks, you cannot visit this one, so there's no route going there anymore. But you still see what's called the Kong Rock. So, we're looking for the Emperor's Tomb, and after a bumpy road, I think we might have found the Emperor's Tomb. Or at least the entrance. Come on, let's go. Hoa Lu is an ancient capital from the 10th century. The imperial city still holds numerous temples and ancient relics. So, we've already been this far up, and still a lot to go. I don't mind going up. It's not that bad or that old. It's just like today is whoa. I mean, check the view. This is crazy. Hey, welcome back guys. So that's it for our first day here in Ninh Binh. I hope you like what we got to see today. For the moment I think this place is a true wonderland and really you should come here and enjoy everything it has to offer. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget the notifications. Feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on next episode. We'll still be here in Ninh Binh and we have still a lot to discover. I'll see you next time and until then, take care, go experience the world and remember to always go with the flow.